Hey friends, welcome to another episode of Smart Drive. This is your host Vishwajit. In the last episode, we have discussed the right hand side control panel, and today we will be knowing more about the headlight level beam adjustment settings. With the help of active animations, we will be clearly getting this idea of load versus the headlight beam level adjustments. So first we all have one driver and a luggage bag, loading capacity around about 20%, and as you can clearly see, level 0 is okay. But whenever you are going for the 2 passengers and 2 luggage bags, the level 1 is highly expected because the beam raises little bit higher level. Moving further, when we have 3 passengers and 2 luggage bags, it will be more weightage on the rear side of the car. Then it automatically raises the headlight beam height. So now level 2 will be more sufficient for these types of settings. Then we have 4 passengers and 2 luggage bags. Then also the headlight settings are need to be changed, and it will be changed with the level 3. And if we are having a full load capacity, then level 4 is highly recommended. Now it's time to have a actual look how the light beam changes. From level 1 to 4, you will find a gradual decrease in the level height of headlight beam. In case you have less passengers, then you can decrease the number, and you can observe that the headlight beam rises to certain level till 0. So these are the runtime settings you need to do with the load calculations of passengers and the luggage. But please note, these are very important settings which will enhance your night vision as well as give lesser distraction to the vehicles coming in the opposite direction from the front side of you. In case you have any doubts, kindly comment below. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from Smart Drive.